Oh, I just woke up. God. Okay. Let's see what we got at the front door. Hey, son. You look hungry. Well, it sounds like you eating. Good. La 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 la. What is that? What is that? Let's bring it in. Let's see what it is. Excited about this package. Let's see what's inside. I wait till the studio. Sorry, people. My studio's upstairs. Like I said, I'm in the bedroom. Got a bedroom studio. Let's see what's inside this box. Whew, we made it. First video of 2021, people. Can you believe it? We made another year. Man, let's get into this video though. Video right here. I'm trying to get this package unboxed. Let's see what's inside of it. So excited. I'm in my robe. Look at this. Look at this. I'm still in my robe, man. If you guys don't know by now, I'm a Lakers fan, so that's the reason you see this cup right here. I don't think that you guys see this. Yeah, my Uncle Stanley gave me that cup. Yeah, let's get to the video though. I know you guys are probably wondering, why is he in a robe in this video? Wise words from Beyonce. I woke up like this. Yes, right, it's your boy Magic, and thanks for watching my videos and content. And today, let's be real, we just here to see what's inside that package, Magic. Let them know. Without further ado, drum roll, please. Let's open it up. Nah. Okay, let's don't take all that. It's red, black. This is clothing. But what does it say? Oh, this is a Make Magic shirt that I have ordered, created, and designed. Man. Oh, man. Oh, is that magic on the back too? Making a great impact consistently. That's what magic is. Oh, man. Let me put this on. Make magic. That's the goal behind the brand, man. Making magic. And today, it was about unpackaging this box for real. But let's get into some content. I don't ever give you guys nothing you can't use. I mean, you can use one of these. It's kind of cold outside, you know. But yeah, let's get into this video. I just wanted to show you guys some different content on my page, trying to keep you guys entertained. I know you get these tutorial videos. What I'm gonna do with this channel. That's a new thing I'm gonna start doing. It's like vloggy type product review, unboxing videos as well as tutorials. I just want to keep it interesting, keep you guys watching the content. So if this entertains you, subscribe, hit that like button, and here's the rest of the video. What's up, guys? It's your boy Magic. I ain't gonna put no headphones on this video because I don't feel like I need to hear anything. It's just a quick video showing you some free sample kits. Like I said, I'm always trying to give you some kind of free stuff or like deals or stuff that people don't tell you about. Yeah, but if you go to this link that I put in the description, you'll find this this pack, Loop Legends site. You get some free sample kits. Like let's click on this one. I don't know. Let's click on this one right here. Free sample kit faces. It's compatible with all dolls. Ableton Live, labeled by BPM. Bonus drum kits. You add to cart. Let's go from there. Add to cart. And let's see what it looks like. Go to buy now. Let's go to the cart. We can check out. I'm sure you have to put in some kind of checkout card information, billing address. Let's see, they're trying to give you a different deal here, but yeah, just go here, billing address, create an account or whatever, and I'm sure that's about it. And you get this sample kit for free. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a hint. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that was a quick magic tip for the day. Until next time, people. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so when I drop something, you know what is coming. Yes, it's your boy Magic. Peace.